Wow. Okay, so this is super cool. You know when you get those weird little pellets or crumbs or I don't know, whatever you call those things, they come on your clothes and they make it look like old and worn. It can happen to blankets, sweaters, pants, even my blazer here. This happens to be my absolute all-time favorite blazer, so I had no idea that there was a solution for it. This guy here, this guy you see here, this fabric shaver, it works amazingly. I couldn't believe it. So I gave it a little shave and a lot came off, but I wondered if I could get it near perfect, and I did. And by the way, I want to give a huge thank you to Inteen for sending this to me for review. I really appreciate it. So you'll notice that I keep running over this little spot a little more and more because I wanted to find out if I could get it perfect. And look, I mean, just look at this result, right? I mean, you can't even tell there was that weird pilling texture on my blazer. And check this out. This is the before right here, and this is the after. Really awesome results. Then once I'm done, it's just super easy. All I have to do is push the little button and then open the catch and tap all the little fuzzies out and toss them in the garbage. It's fast, it's easy, and I am thrilled to have my favorite blazer back.